How's it, guys? Welcome back to FX Rhapsody. I haven't made a video or analysis video in a long time, so I thought to myself, just getting back into swing of things, let's just do a quick analysis or quick look at two pairs. I'm just going to look at the hourly time frame, and then let's see. I'm going to make some more time for more videos coming your way. So let us look at the British pound, Japanese yen first. On this pair, again, it's just going to be the hourly, maybe switching over to a 4 hourly, whatever. We'll have a look now. So you can see the market, if I scroll out a little bit more, there we go, just minimize it a bit. You can see this swing low at the bottom, and you can see all this new highs and lows forming, with the market forming this bullish movement to the upside. This, let me just switch to the 4 hourly quickly so I can just explain. So I marked out this area. Let's just do that. So there's an area that I just highlighted for you, or for myself. Just that's the new high or the new area, and just above that, let us do that, and then just do that. That's going to be new liquidity that I am pretty sure that market is going to go tap out, because you can see as the market moved to the downside, it formed all this liquidity at the top here, and there was some liquidity here. And as you can see, as the market made its turn at the bottom and started moving to the upside, it started taking out this liquidity. You can see that area is being tapped there, and the recent one being that area being tapped today. So the new liquidity, or the area that I'm expecting price to be hunting, is obviously the one at the top. So how do we know, and when do we know it's going to happen? I just want to scroll out a little bit more. I just want to check. Okay. There we go. So basically, if I take my Fibonacci, just want to see this area here. Whoops, wrong time frame. There we go, hour. There you go. I thought I saw something else. So you can see this area over here that market turned, and it made this huge candle to the downside. So this bearish spike, I was waiting. I just want to highlight the area for you here. I was waiting for this area obviously to be broken. So the structured area. So when I saw market or price pushing past this area with that breakout candle, you know, on lower time frames, you can see that retest, but you can see that candle coming down a little bit more and started moving to the upside. This is when you wait for your signal. So I'm using this turn over here, this where that breakout candle was. So I took my Fibonacci from that low to that high, right about there. As you can see, the swing low, swing high, and then the retracement back to the key area of the 62 to the 79%. It actually, price came and touched that 70.5% to the T, and it started moving up. So that's a buy opportunity. And then obviously you can see your first take profit being hit by the 0, because you enter by the 62, stop loss just below the 0. First take profit is your 100, or your 0%, not 100, the 0%. Second take profit will be your negative 50%, and your last take profit will be your negative 100%. And as you can see, the negative 50 is just below, lying just below that key area that I've highlighted out on the 4 hours, and then that negative 100% is just above that key area of liquidity that price has been hunting. So I'm pretty sure, or I'm not going to say I'm 100% sure, but I feel like market is moving in the direction. Obviously, we can see this area currently, you know, all depends on what's going to happen here. I'm just going to take this out. Just going to look at something. If I take my Fibonacci from that swing to that swing, depends on if you missed it, price might come down to this area and move up to the upside. Again, it's just, you know, already in that trade, moving to the upside. So let's just see how that plays out. Let's move on to the euro. Okay, on the euros side of things, hourly, let's have a look here. I'm just zooming out a little bit more, just scanning quickly. Okay, so you can see this key area over here, just scanning quickly here. Right about there. So this area, you can actually, no, just leave it right there. So you can see this area. Okay, let's not scroll too far back. All right. So this area acted, or it was broken. It acted as a resistance, as you can see. Price coming, faking out, coming back, not closing above that area. So price acted as a resistance, coming to test that area again, and eventually broke it, became a support, went up, came down, support, went up a little bit, support again. Now it is sitting on that area, that key area now. Now, where do we go from here? Now, if I draw out a little bit more, you can see I'm scrolling out a little. I don't want to go to other time frames, so I'm just looking at quite a wider picture, okay, of things. Let's just do that. You can see it a bit better. All right, so here's the swing at the bottom. So it made a new high, came down, made a low, and then it made another new high. As you can see, it's above that. So now we're expecting price to make another low. So taking your Fibonacci from this low to that high that it made. So the swing low to that swing high where price turned, it came back to the 70.5% area. Well, this, in any case, the area between the 62 and the 75. So that is your entry point, your entry area in the market. Let's just expand this a little bit more. So you can see that the first area of take, or the target area was hit, the first take profit area. Okay, just to give you, let's just say you entered your trade there. That move was a almost 200 pip move. Okay, never be afraid to look at the market. Just, let's say just the hourly. You can go down smaller time frames, but I mean, that's the hour. That's the swing of the market. Sorry, I'm just pointing with my hands. That's the swing of the market, and then going down to retrace to an area. So what is currently happening? So we find ourselves with a new high. So we take our Fibonacci from there all the way up to that swing. Okay, you can see that price is now tapping, or it's been tapping on that 50%, tapped on. Now it looks like it's broken through. I'm just going to leave my Fibonacci. If you are not in the trade already, just leaving my Fibonacci there, and that area is obviously going to be the key area of entry. So let's see if price comes into this zone for a nice little buy again, and then moving to the upside, because that will then be your new low. So it made a low, high, a new low, and then going up to make another new high. So guys, that is all from me today. I will definitely be sure to try and make some time for more videos, and I still need to make a video about the COT reports, how we can, or how you guys, or I will show you how you can update it yourself. And yes, I hope this was insightful. Leave a comment in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. And yeah, we will be seeing, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and then we will be seeing you on the next video. Stay safe and happy trading, guys.